Transparency and client happiness are critical in today's retail environment. To match these expectations, Shopify POS includes powerful order monitoring features that enable shops and customers to follow the status of their orders in real time. Retailers may improve transparency, streamline processes, and improve the customer experience by integrating order tracking into their Shopify POS system. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of order tracking in Shopify POS, focusing on how it enables businesses to give visibility into order fulfillment, streamline communication, and build customer loyalty. Order fulfillment visibility in real time. Order tracking in Shopify POS gives businesses and customers with real-time visibility into the fulfillment process. Retailers may get up-to-date information about the progress and location of each order by integrating tracking information directly from shipping providers into the POS system. This real-time visibility enables retailers to track the progress of order fulfillment, ensuring timely processing and delivery. Retailers may solve any delays or issues that develop in advance, improving operational efficiency and consumer happiness. Additionally, order monitoring allows customers to stay up to date on the status of their orders. Customers can follow their packages and predict delivery dates by supplying tracking numbers or links via the Shopify POS system. This transparency creates confidence, lowers consumer inquiries, and improves the entire customer experience. Enhanced communication and customer service. Order monitoring in Shopify POS simplifies communication between retailers and customers throughout the fulfillment process. By providing customers with tracking information, retailers may proactively communicate crucial updates such as purchase confirmations, shipping notifications, and delivery status. This improved communication decreases customer inquiries and support requests regarding order status, allowing merchants to spend resources more efficiently and focus on providing great customer care. Furthermore, order tracking enables retailers to solve any possible difficulties as soon as they arise. If a product is delayed or has an issue while en route, businesses can contact out to affected customers and offer solutions or support. This proactive approach exhibits concern and responsiveness, strengthening consumer trust and loyalty. Increasing operational efficiency. Order tracking in Shopify POS improves operational efficiency by giving businesses with visibility into the fulfillment process and optimizing resource allocation. Retailers may monitor order fulfillment performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize their operations using real-time tracking information. This data-driven strategy allows retailers to streamline their procedures, eliminate fulfillment failures, and increase overall operational efficiency. Furthermore, order tracking enables companies to forecast demand and properly manage inventories. Retailers can recognize sales patterns, estimate future demand, and adjust inventory levels accordingly by studying order monitoring data. This proactive inventory management decreases stockouts, increases customer happiness, and saves holding costs. Integration and scalability. Order tracking in Shopify POS is smoothly integrated with numerous shipping carriers, allowing shops to select their chosen carrier and deliver precise tracking information to customers. Popular carriers such as UPS, FedEx, and USPS may be incorporated directly into the Shopify POS system, assuring accurate and real-time tracking data. Additionally, order tracking in Shopify POS is scalable, making it suitable for enterprises of all sizes. Whether running a tiny boutique or a multi-location retail chain, retailers can use order tracking capability to create a consistent and transparent consumer experience. Order monitoring in Shopify POS enables retailers to improve transparency, streamline communication, and increase operational efficiency. Order monitoring develops trust, decreases support requests, and improves overall customer experience by giving real-time visibility into order fulfillment and enabling quicker communication between retailers and customers. With its easy connection and flexibility, Shopify POS's order tracking functionality enables shops to fulfill consumer expectations, establish loyalty, and succeed in today's competitive retail industry.